Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're still manually building study schedules, you're not just behind, you're losing 10 hours a week. The old way? Color-coded planners, spreadsheets, sticky notes, and hope. And let's be honest, hope is not a study strategy. The new way? Let AI do the heavy lifting. It doesn't just organize your time, it optimizes it. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that don't just help you study better, they help you build a system that practically runs itself. And stay until the end, because tool number 5 is the one that determines whether your entire schedule succeeds or completely falls apart. Let's start. Tool number 1, AI schedule generator. Most students think they don't have time to study. They do, they just can't see it. And that's exactly what this tool fixes. You enter your classes, your work shifts, your meals, and yes, your sleep. Then, the AI automatically builds your week around those fixed commitments. It finds hidden study windows, it protects recovery time, it leaves room to breathe, and it even accounts for things most people forget, like commuting. The result? A schedule that actually fits your life. And suddenly you realize something. You had more free time than you thought. A lot more. But here's the catch. Just because you have time doesn't mean you're using it correctly. And that's where the next tool comes in. Tool number 2, AI Energy Pattern Detector. This might be the biggest mistake students make. They study at the wrong time, every single day. Most people assume their brain works the same way all day long. It doesn't. This AI analyzes your sleep patterns, calendar activity, and productivity habits. Then it discovers when your brain performs best. Maybe you're not a morning person. Maybe you're not a night owl. Maybe your peak performance happens at 2 in the afternoon, and you never knew it. Imagine putting your hardest subject exactly where your brain is strongest, and moving easier tasks into your low energy hours. That's not working harder, that's working smarter. It's basically a cheat code. But even if you know when to study, you still need to know exactly what to do when you sit down. And that's where most students get stuck. Tool number 3, AI Time Block Optimizer. Let's be honest, study chemistry is not a plan. It's a suggestion, and suggestions create procrastination. Because the moment you sit down, your brain asks, okay, where do I start? And then 20 minutes disappear. This AI eliminates that problem. You tell it the subject, the chapter, and how much time you have. Then it breaks everything into exact actions, exact durations, and exact deadlines. Instead of study chemistry, you get something like read section 3.2, solve questions 1 through 6, check mistakes, review formulas. One step at a time, no guessing, no planning, no decision fatigue. So when you sit down, you don't think, you execute. But productivity isn't only about planning, it's also about managing your energy. And that's what the next tool does. Tool number 4, AI Focus and Break Manager. Most students think productivity means studying longer. It doesn't. It means studying smarter. Your brain wasn't built for endless 3-hour study marathons. It was built for rhythm, focus, recover, repeat. This AI learns how your brain works best. Maybe you perform best with 25-minute focus sessions. Maybe it's 40 minutes. Maybe it's something completely different. The AI figures it out. Then it automatically manages your work and break cycles. And during breaks, it even suggests activities that help you recover faster. Walk, stretch, hydrate, reset. The result is simple. You stop relying on willpower and start relying on a system. You're working with your brain, not against it. But now we get to the most important tool of all, the one almost nobody talks about. Tool number 5, a schedule analyzer. This is the reason most schedules fail. Not because they're bad, not because you're lazy, but because they never evolve. Every week, this AI asks a few simple questions. What worked? What didn't? What did you complete? What did you avoid? And why? Then it rebuilds your schedule based on reality. Not assumptions, not motivation, reality. If your study blocks were too long, it adjusts them. If your energy crashed at certain times, it learns from that. If specific subjects kept getting skipped, it adapts. Every single week, your system gets smarter. And that's the difference between having a schedule and having a system. The schedule doesn't just tell you what to do, it learns how you work. And that changes everything. At the end of the day, the best study schedule is one that works for you, not against you. And these 5 AI tools help make that happen.
They remove the guesswork, reduce the stress, and let you focus on what actually matters, learning.
If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to stay focused during those study sessions, even when distractions are everywhere. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.